and we're from Gateway Science Academy.
GSA in St. Louis, Missouri.
And we're going to demo 2,
not 1, but 2
water experiments. But we got to be safe first, so we got to put our glasses on.
They see me rolling, they hating, trying to catch me alive.
Okay, so now we're going to fill up our glasses
with water.
Be very careful so it doesn't spill. Okay. So I don't know about you, but I'm kind of hot in here. Yeah. I could really use a refreshment.
Yeah, so I'm going to pour some of this water.
Yeah. So, why didn't I get wet?
Because, why didn't I get wet?
Well, you didn't get wet.
I didn't get that wet.
Because, well, always a little water comes out. You can't stop that. But the reason the whole jar didn't come out is because of this little screen here. And you all have screens in your windows at home. And you know there's little holes in there, and when it rains, water can get in them. And the lighter holes are where there isn't any water. And when the water is in those holes, it forms like a surface tension and forms a kind of a protective layer that doesn't let the water get through.
It clogs up the walls.
So when you put it back on here, kind of want to smooth out the holes a little bit. And you want to put your card or paper underneath it to kind of create some air pressure, and that working with the surface tension doesn't let a lot of water come out. So it clogs up the holes, as Grace put it, and doesn't allow the water to get through.
And the hand has the air pressure holds,
And the card holds the air pressure. So Grace, I answered why you didn't get wet. Why didn't I get wet?
Well, actually, before we explain this, we need to be safe and put on our glasses. So, there's actually no liquid in this cup at all. It is solid. It's we use this powder called polymer, and the polymer works in means of osmosis, meaning it only lets water go through a semi-permeable membrane. Water only moves through the membrane-like structure, and when the water comes in contact with the polymer expands, creating this little solid here. So this process actually works pretty quick. And you can find polymer, this little powder, in baby diapers.
Get it open.
The liquid is in there to absorb it. And if you want to try something like this at home, gloves, goggles, cut a baby diaper, just cut it up and put it into a bag. Shake it, and at the bottom of the bag there will be some of the polymer. And you can use that and watch the water. And if you want to pull a prank on your friends, use some of this as bath salts and bath and watch them come after you. Anyway, so we're going to show you how this process works. So we're going to add one of those spoons, and we're going to add some water. Not too much water.
Mix it up a little bit.
And this process works
very
pretty
fast.
fast.
Like it's already.
It's already. So 1, 2, 3, and there you have it.
Look at how perfect that is. Whoa. And it's really, really squishy. It's like gel. It's basically like working with some sort of gel. It kind of feels like more solid applesauce.
Yes. But that's why they only put a little bit in the baby diaper. So it's very more gel, like this type here. So that concludes our experiment for today. And we
thank you
for listening to our experiments. But we actually really want to thank you, like in all seriousness, taking your time to watch this video and considering us.
For Ohio, I mean, I know our video was trying to be a little more humorous on the humorous side, but we would really appreciate if we could go to Ohio. It would just be really awesome to take part in the expo there.
Yes, so anyway.
Bye.